What's going on, y'all? It's tea time. Smoke them if you got them. Quick flower tea recipe for you. In this flower tea, the base is compost, castings, high brix molasses. Extras are honey, aloe, guano, insect frass, kelp powder, earth juice, sea blast bloom, and some of this stuff. This is my banana KNF that I made months ago. It's just been sitting in the closet soaking up all the nutrients out of the banana, and it's been added to the tea. Oh, and one more thing. I hang the bag in the other bucket that I'm diluting with the original tea. And then I'm filling up the original tea with water and diluting that. So 1 to 1. I also want to note that the honey is local from a local bee farmer, honey farmer. This is brewed for 3 hours, brewed super strong, and diluted halfway, 1 to 1. This has been a quick flower tea recipe for you. Hope it helps. See you all in the next one. As always, grow kind, be kind, live free, stay irie, and remember, if your soil's alive, your plants will thrive.